class. How are you all? Today I am going to show you equation of motion by graphical method. So first of all, I am showing you first equation, that is equation for velocity time graph. What we call the first equation? Equation for the velocity time graph. And I have written equation and I will explain one by one everything. So you can see the graph I have drawn, velocity time graph. So velocity and time. Velocity is, you can see O and E. I have written velocity, and time downside it is O and C. Now you can see I have written BC is equal to BD plus DC. BC, it is right. BC is equal to BD plus DC. So BD plus OA I have written, you can see left side, OA is equal to DC. You will do hard work something here because you will understand this definition. So BD plus DC is equal to BD plus OA. So see carefully this diagram. DC is equal to OA. Can you see? DC is equal to OA. So BC is equal to V. BC, full line, I have written that side velocity. So BC is equal to V. So what we can write instead of BC? V. And BD is equal to, I have written BD plus U. From U is coming from where? You can see I have written AO is equal to U. So we can write U instead of OA and BD. So BD is equal to V. You can see, so what is BD? BD is equal to V minus U. I am explaining again. In this graph you can see BC is equal to BD plus DC, and DC is equal to OA, and OA is equal to U, and BC is equal to V. So V is equal to BD plus U, and BD is equal to V minus U. From the graph acceleration is A is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. So change in velocity is BD and time taken is AD. So BD upon AD, and what we can write instead of AD? OC. So BD upon OC, and OC is equal to T. So what come here? A is equal to BD upon T, and you can see BD upside in equation 1 I have written BD is equal to V minus U. So I have write BD is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. Try to understand this equation. It is difficult to understand, but if you will see carefully, then you can understand this definition easily. This equation. Now see again equation for velocity time graph. So velocity OE and time is OC. So BC is equal to BD plus DC, and BD is equal to, what we can write instead of DC? OA. So BD plus OA. Now BC is equal to V. BC is equal to V, and OA is equal to U. So V is equal to BD plus U, and what is the acceleration? You know, change in velocity upon time taken. So I have written change in velocity, you can see in graph BD, and time taken AD. So instead of AD we can write OC. So I have written BD upon OC, and OC is T. So I have written BD upon T. So you can see in first equation I have written BD is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to, I will write V minus U instead of BD. So what will come? V is equal to U plus AT. Now you can see equation 4, position time relation. So distance travelled by the object. What we will write? An object travelled. Distance A, E, B, D. How much distance covered? A, E, B, D. So we will take out distance travelled by the object. So how can we take out distance? You can see distance travelled by the object S is equal to area O, A, B, C. So what we can take out here? Distance travelled by the object O, A, B, C. An object travelled distance O, A, B, C. So this is the distance travelled by the object O, A, B, C. So O, A, B, C is a trapezium. So we will take out the area of trapezium here. So what is the area? Area of OABC. So area of rectangle OADC plus area of the triangle ABD. So area of the rectangle OADC plus area of the triangle ABD. So in this, what we can do? We will take out area of OABC. So how can we take out area? First of all, we will take out area of this triangle and area of this rectangle. So area of rectangle is AO upon AO into OC. So AO is U and OC is T. So I have written U into T, and rectangle and triangle 1 by 2 T into AT, because AD into BD I have written, and BD is equal to V minus U. So from where BD is coming, you can see what is the area of triangle AD into BD. AD into BD. This is rectangle ABD. So what is the area of triangle? 1 by 2 AD into BD, and BD is equal to V minus U from equation 1 of motion. So this BD will come in that equation also. In this equation, BD is equal to V minus U will come. So we will take out area of triangle and area of rectangle here. So area of the rectangle OA into OC, OA is equal to U and OC is equal to T, and AD is equal to T. So AD is equal to T, as you can see here. OC is equal to T, so that AD is equal to T also. Why? OC is equal to T, so that AD is equal to T. So what we can write? Instead of AD, T, and BD is equal to AT. So from where BD is equal to AT is coming? From first equation of motion, you can see BD is equal to V minus U and V minus U is equal to AT. So I have written AT here from the equation 1. So what will come? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So in equation 2, we will take out the area of trapezium, that is area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So area of rectangle is OA into OC. So U into T. Area of triangle ABD. So 1 by 2 BD into AD. So instead of AD, we can write OC, and OC is equal to T, and BD from first equation, BD is equal to V minus U and V minus U is equal to AT. I have written in first equation. So all will come here from first equation. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So these are the two equation of motion. So what you will do this in your fair notebook.